How to buy more iPhone storage. Let's get started. Launch your Settings app. Now scroll down and navigate to the option General. Head over to the option iPhone Storage. Now at the very top, you're gonna find the details of your storage. If you run out of storage, you can follow these steps. Head back, click on your Apple ID given at the very top, navigate to the option iCloud. Now click on the option Upgrade for more storage. Now you're gonna get different storage option. 50 GB for $0.99 per month, 200 GB for $3.49 per month, and 2 TB for $11.99 per month. So select the option of your choice and click on Upgrade to iCloud Plus. Now you'll need to provide your payment details. Once you complete this process, you'll be good to go. The storage will be added to your iCloud. So this way you can easily buy more storage on iPhone. If this guide helps you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.